A conference for discussing nationwide ceasefire is being held in eastern Burma's Karen state from the 20th to the 22nd of January. Leading officials from 18 ethnic armed groups met at the Karen National Union's Lokila headquarters. The meeting follows up on a similar event in the Kachin Independence Organization's Lisa headquarters in northern Burma late last year.
Me on like I'm a penis at all. I'm a people. Yes, a pit, Charlie, a good Telajadi. I love you, but I was sick. That's a rock. KIO Almaga, KIO or the Tibetan set up.
Man Ye Mo from the KNU emphasized the importance of unity.
Tinilagaro, Genoprama, Biogenaro, General Taina Alobama Bidutia Lunga, Violent Haranilagan, the Kupit. General Taina Silo, New Year, the Ne Babian and a queen cane, together to my common queen and Kupit.
Man Ye Mo said the KNU wishes to see an agreement among the ethnic armed groups based on their opinions on a nationwide ceasefire.
General the Nilagaya Diga Yibanjagaro, Jotaina Aloye. The both water Niger, I both water Niger, Palace solution. The below Picaya say, Saya, water Niger. General Tainari, I mean, Tidi Susi, Poncha Budoma, the Tainari, Colonia, and me, General Susi, you saw Lama, you saw Daburo, Nangano Suane, Duma Palm, Poema, Tudia Poema, Nangano Sua, the Borana, General Tainari at the border out of Pidoma, the below Saya, the water Niger. The below Saya, Picaya say, the water Niger, General Yashibu.
The meeting in Pa'an is planned to take place in February.